A very good morning, Montfortians. First of all, happy Tees to everyone. I hope you all are enjoying your festival. Yes? Okay, so students, today we will do work on grammar book. So everyone take out your grammar book. Open page number 26. Chapter 8, Doing, D-O-I-N-G, Doing, W-O-R-D-S, words, doing words. Okay? Firstly, write today's date, day and grade task on the top. Let's start, student. What are doing words? Doing words means are actions. Okay, doing words means are action, like dance, D-A-N-C-E, dance, R-E-A-D, read, R-U-N, run, W-R-I-T-E, write. All these are action. Okay, these are our actions, so we call them doing words. Okay, doing words that are words that tells us what a person, an animal or a thing does is called doing words. Our actions are our doing words. Okay, like doing words are also called action words. These are our action. Dance, if we dance, if we read, if we run, if we write, all these are actions, so we call them action words or doing words. Okay, some more examples of doing words are cook, mama cooks food for you. Okay, D-R-I-V-E, drive, papa drives car for you. So these are also action words or doing words. Eat, E-A-T, eat, J-U-M-P, jump, L-A-U-G-H, laugh, wait, laugh, P-A-I-N-T, paint, P-I-C-K, pick, P-L-A-Y, play, S-H-O-U-T, shout, S-I-T, sit. All these are action words. Sleep, study, slide, walk and wash. So we call them action words. These are action words. Okay, students? So now we will do exercise, then it will be more clear for you. Okay? Exercise A, circle the doing words in each set of words. See here, some words are there and in these words we have to circle the doing words. Okay? One has been done for you. First is, see here, blackboard, B-L-A-C-K, black, B-O-A-R-D, board. Second is eraser, E-R-A-S-E-R, eraser. Students, both are naming words. Blackboard and eraser both are naming words. Okay, and see, D-R-A-W, draw. Draw is a doing word. You draw in your drawing book now. So this is a doing word or we can call action word. Okay, see here, C-L-I-M-B, climb, T-R-E-E, tree, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Tree and mango both are naming words and climb is an action word or we can say doing word. Climb means chadna, like पेड़ पर चढ़ना. Okay, so climb is a doing word. Now see here, T-A-B-L-A, tabla, G-U-I-T-A-R, guitar. Both are naming words now. Both are instrument. So here sing, S-I-N-G, sing. Sing is a doing word. Okay, Geeta sings for us. So sing is a doing word here. Okay, next, school, S-C-H-O-O-L, school, B-E-L-L, bell. Both are naming words. And speak, S-P-E-A-K, speak. Speak is a doing word or action word. Okay, now G-L-A-S-S, glass, M-I-L-K, milk. Both are naming words. And drink is a doing word or drink is our action. So drink is an action word also. Okay, now D-O-O-R, door, WINDOW, window. Both are naming words, and pull is a doing word. Okay, pull means खींचना किसी चीज को. Okay, so pull is an action word here. Okay, now come on the next page. Exercise B. Write the opposite OPPOSITES opposites of these doing words. Write the opposites of these doing words. Okay, use the pictures as clue. See, in this exercise some pictures are there and we have to write their opposite words. Okay, first is start. START, start, and the opposite of start is finish. FINISH, finish. Both are doing words. Okay, both are our actions. Next, sit. SIT, sit, and the opposite of sit is stand. STAND, stand. Okay, push. PUSH, push, and the opposite of push is pull. PULL, pull. Push means धक्का देना किसी चीज को, and pull means खींचना. Okay, throw. THROW, throw, and the opposite of throw is catch. CATCH, catch. Okay, see, this boy is throwing a ball and this one is catching a ball. Okay, so throw, opposite of throw is catch. Float. FLOAT, float, opposite of float is sink. SINK, sink. Float means तैरना, sink means डूबना. Okay, and the last, shout. SHOUT, shout. Shout means speak loudly. Okay, and whisper means speaking slowly. WHISPER, whisper. Whisper means speaking slowly. Okay, now wait, come on the next page. MATCH, match each animal with the correct CORRECT, correct doing words. Okay, match each animal with the correct doing words. See here, first is fish. So what is the action of fish? Swims. SWIMS, swims. Okay, so we will write here 1. Fish we will match with swims. Okay, wait. Second, BIRD, bird. What is the action of bird? Flies. FLIES, flies. So we will write here 2. Okay, third, snake. SNAKE, snake, and the action of snake is slithers. SLITHERS, slithers. Okay, next is kangaroo. CANGAROO, kangaroo, and the action of kangaroo is hops. HOPS, hops. Okay, and the next, butterfly. BUTTERFLY, butterfly, and we will match butterfly with flutters. FLUTTERS, flutters. So write 5 here. Okay, and the last, horse. HORSE, horse, and horse we will match with gallops. GALLOPS, gallops. Okay, so this is for today. Firstly, read this chapter, chapter 8, doing words. Okay, and then do back exercise in your book. Okay students, bye bye, have a safe day.